Hello everyone and happy Friday. I know that probably doesn't mean as much to you as it used to right now. We're in quite uncertain times at the moment, and a lot of you who are still at work, this is probably a happy Friday for you, but it's quite strange for the rest of us at the moment. Friday used to mean that the weekend was here and we got to be home with our families, but right now we're trying to differentiate that being at home alongside being at work at the same time. So I do hope that our circle times are something that can bring a little bit of joy to your lives, of yourselves and your families in the morning during these weekdays. And I would love to continue to do that for you. So if you have not already, please share this with your friends so they can share with their friends. I would like to reach out to as many people as possible and make this a part of their lives, bring some joy in other people's lives, bring some structure to their day with their families. It doesn't matter what age you are. It's just something to enjoy and also to help me to continue to make these. Please just press that big subscribe button. The more people that subscribe, the more people that see this, the more people we can get to follow, which incentivizes me to make some more and continue to do this for you. I love to do this, and I'm excited to continue our journey with our circle times. So good morning. Today is Friday, and Friday is music day and fun day. Not that it's not fun every other day, but it's even more fun on Friday. So I'm excited to get started. Are you ready? Let's go. The sun is coming up. The sun is coming up. We thank the earth for spinning round and being here for us. The sun is coming up. The sun is coming up. We thank the earth for spinning round and being here for us. The sun is coming up. The sun is coming up. We thank the earth for spinning round and being here for us. When I sit at circle, my bottom is on the floor. My legs are crisscross applesauce. My eyes are looking, my ears are listening, my mouth is closed, and my hands are in my lap. Good morning to you, good morning to you. We're all in our places with bright shiny faces, and I say to you, good morning to you. Good morning, Miss Alexa. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. I'm glad you're here today. Hooray! Buenos días. ¿Cómo estás? Muy bien, gracias. ¿Y usted? Buenos días. ¿Cómo estás? Muy bien, gracias. ¿Y usted? Good morning, my friends. I can see that you have been practicing and learning our good morning songs. So if yesterday was Thursday, and tomorrow will be Saturday, I already gave you a little clue at the beginning of the video. What day is it today? It's Friday! Let's have a look. Today is Friday. What's the date? There's a lot of numbers here. Will you help me count them, please? Okay, you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. It's nearly the end of the month. Today is Friday, March 27. Hoy es el viernes, el 27 de marzo. Days of the week. days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Los días de la semana son siete, los días de la semana son siete. Lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo son siete. Lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo. Sunny, 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 sunny. Is it sunny in the sky? S-U-N-N-Y is sunny. Is it sunny in the sky? Cloudy, 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 cloudy. Is it cloudy in the sky? C-L-O-U-D-Y, cloudy. Is it cloudy in the sky? Rainy, 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 rainy. Is it rainy in the sky? R-A-I-N-Y is rainy. Is it rainy in the sky? Windy, 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 windy. Is it windy in the sky? W-I-N-D-Y, windy. Is it windy in the sky? Snowy, 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 snowy. Is it snowy in the sky? S-N-O-W-Y is snowy. Is it snowy in the sky? What's the weather like today with you? Today, with me, it's been a little bit rainy, so it's a little bit damp outside. But maybe it's different with you. Why don't you sing about the weather where you are, and I'll sing about the weather where I am. Ready? I know a day just like today, and sunny was the weather. I said I was going to say it was damp. Sorry. Let's start again. I know a day just like today, and damp was the weather. D-A-M-P, 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 and damp was the weather. I wanted to say sorry because I made a mistake in what I was going to say, and this is how we say sorry with sign language. So if you ever feel like you can't use your words, we like to use sign language a lot. Sorry. Yeah. Today, my friends, we are going to learn a silly rhyme. And we're going to talk about music, and we're going to talk about beats. So we can make beats in a lot of different ways, not just by listening to music. We can make a beat with our own body. We can snap, click. We can clap. We can click. I am going to start making a beat, and I would like you to follow. I'm going to clap my hands once, and then put my hands on my knees. You can't see my knees, but you can hear it, so listen. And it's going to go like this. Can you join in? And now we've got the beat. I'm going to make a rhythm. Are you ready? Let's go. Coca-Cola went to town. Pepsi-Cola knocked him down. Dr. Pepper picked him up and turned him into 7-Up. Keep going with the beat. I might change the rhythm and make it faster. Can you follow? Yes, you can. Coca-Cola went to town. Dr. Pepper knocked him down. Sorry, I made a mistake. Coca-Cola went to town. Pepsi-Cola knocked him down. Dr. Pepper picked him up and turned him into 7-Up. Did you stick with it? I'm going to make the beat now, and I'm going to start going faster and slower. And now you know the words to our Coca-Cola silly song. You can join in. So let's start following with the beat again. When I go faster, you go faster. When I slow down, you slow down. Coca-Cola went to town. Pepsi-Cola knocked him down. Dr. Pepper picked him up and turned him into 7-Up. Did you get it? It's a great one. Would you like to know another silly song that some of my friends in my class used to really love? It goes with the same beat. It's called Engine, Engine Number 9. Have you heard of it? Yeah, it's a great one. Same beat. Are you ready? Let's go. Engine, engine number 9, going down Chicago line. If the train comes off the track, will I get my money back? Yes, no, maybe so. Engine, engine number 9, going down Chicago line. If the train comes off the track, will I get my money back? Yes, no, maybe so. Did you keep up? Yes. I would love for you to practice the beat, different beats, over this weekend, and putting a rhythm, the words, on top of it. Yes, I will put the words on the Facebook group for the silly Coca-Cola rhythm. If you're not added to the Facebook group, please go into Facebook. You can make friends with me. My name is Alexa Leonard. And ask me to add you to the group, and that's where I'll put all the words for the songs, and we can share a lot of the crafts that we do too. Okay, my friends, because it's Friday, let's sing some more of our songs that we've been learning this week. Now, once we have learned our songs, I like to take the music away and try and practice them without the music, because it's really good to be able to take a song, play it in your head, and say it without the music. Let's do our ocean song. Are you ready? Okay, without the music. 1, 2, 3. Oh, sorry. What does it start with? 70%. Oh, I got it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 70% of the surface of the earth is ocean water. And it's divided up into 5 parts from biggest to smallest. Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern, Arctic. Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern, Arctic. I'm the Pacific, to be specific. I'm 1/3 of the Earth's surface, water, where my turf is. And my Mariana Trench is the very, very deepest in the sea. And I'm the Atlantic, named after the Greek god Atlas, with the Bermuda Triangle and the Gulf Stream in me. And I'm the Indian Ocean, I'm the warmest around. And I'm the Arctic Ocean, where Antarctica is found. And I'm the Atlantic. Oh, excuse me. I'm so sorry. I made a mistake again. I'm going crazy today. This is why we learn the songs differently. Does anybody remember which one comes next? Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern. I'm the Southern Ocean, where Antarctica is found. And I'm the Arctic, the smallest and the shallowest. But that's fine with me, got more ice than you've ever seen. Even polar bears walk on me. We're the Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern, Arctic. Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern, Arctic. One more time. Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern, Arctic. One more time. Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern, Arctic. Thank you so much, my friends, for your patience with me. I want to keep this on here. I do these lives and I don't delete any of it because I need you to know that sometimes teachers and parents make mistakes. And it's good to make mistakes, not to be sorry for that. I'm just learning and you're learning too. So it's okay to make mistakes. We're learning together. And when I put your songs out to you and you start practicing them, you can help me with the words. Can you do that? Thank you. Okay, my friends, we are going to end today with some pranayama, with some breathing exercises and some tips for what you can do at the weekend. So we've been learning about the ocean and we've been making waves and learning about animals. So I thought for our pranayama, we could be really extravagant today, make some big moves and pretend to be the ocean and do some ocean breathing. Maybe you got the ocean in a big storm. Are you ready? And breathe in and out. And breathe in and out. Shoulders up and down in your back pockets. Thank you so much, my friends, for listening today. I would like to show you something you could do this weekend. I made a basket just of things that I found in my house. All of my objects happen to be objects, but you could have ocean animals, anything that we've been learning about this week too. And I put them in because I thought we could get them. You could take it off your shelf or off your floor, wherever you keep your works. And we could take one out and we could do some yoga moves, or we could dance. We could imitate being one of these objects. So remember we had a cat? We have a yoga move for a cat. Remember what it was when we go up and down on our knees? Do you know what else I've got? A cow. I could do cat, cow, cat, cow. Should we try it? On your hands and knees. We go up. Meow. Moo. Meow. Moo. What other fun things could we do? I also have a clownfish. Yes, it is Nemo, but Nemo is a clownfish. Nemo's just his name. He's a clownfish. So you could pretend to be a clownfish. You could swim like a clownfish. You could pretend to hide in your sea anemone when you go home. And I would love to see some pictures or some videos of what you've been doing at home. I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. I am excited for next week. On Monday, we get a new letter sound of the week and we're going to start learning more sign language. Remember, like sorry. And I would love to see you and your families and your friends. Share this video. Have a great weekend. Goodbye.